What's up, you guys? And thank you for coming. Sorry, I'm feeling silly right now. I just wanted to bring you guys on here to let you know that my packages came. And I got my little bits and bobs that I ordered for making my stuff. I can't wait. Oh my god, I'm going to be so excited. I got so many ideas. And this... Oh, this thing. I cannot wait. I used to make my rings. Okay, by the way, this is a grooved and marked ring mandrel. I think it's 13 inches. Yeah, 13 inches. Okay, I used to make my rings around my own finger and they would end up bruised and I'd have blood blisters and all that stuff. But moving on to today's video feature. I am so excited. I cannot wait to start using this. One, it'll help me with my jewelry and drilling holes into stuff. That's what I bought it for, basically. So I can make my polymer clay jewelry. I can do that, and then instead of using a straw to poke a hole through it like I normally do, I can use this. And I know the lighting is like horrible, but this is the best I got. But yeah, I got a 101 piece rotary toolkit and I got it from Amazon. And I want to say it was around 30 bucks. Now here there's all the pieces and bits and bobs and this bad boy. I can't wait to hang it right here in front of me. Just so I could just, like those nail artists do. They have the thing hanging next to their table. Okay, who needs instructions, right? So let's put the box away. Anyway, excuse my water cap. I drink water. Doesn't everybody? This is the main unit. Has an on-off button. Cord. I was gonna say a long cord, but don't judge. You don't know until you unroll it. Okay, this cord is about an arm span long. So from this hand to this hand is about how long it is. Maybe a little bit longer. Yeah, just about that plus maybe 6 inches. But yeah, it's pretty decent size. And I have extension cords everywhere for everything. So there's that. Now, I want to show you the pieces that come with it. Oh, my lighting. Let me see if I can fix this lighting, guys. Hold on. Okay, there. I hope the lighting is better. It looks a lot better. I don't know what I did. But hey, okay. That is so weird. It looks dark when I'm looking at it. But anyway, I use this box to fix the lighting because it's white. But we're going to unbox this. And these, I'm guessing, are sanding discs. I guess I do need the paper. It might help me with my video, right? Okay. First things first. The box smells funny. Anyway, so let's see what it says here. Okay. Safety warning. Do not attempt to operate tool until you have read this entirely. Well, I know there are a few people out there that do read it, but I am one of those people that do not. Keep away from children. Okay, this is the part I want. List of accessories. Okay, so these things here are cut-off wheels. Nice. So these cut stuff off, I'm guessing. Chop, chop. Careful, these things are sharp. Okay, these are the sanding wheels. Yes, these are the sandpaper tips to go on it. And then you get this pack of heads. And okay, guys, hold on a second. Let me back up. I'm going to give you an up-close and personal view of this. If I can get the bag open. Okay, so These are the cut off blades. Oh yes, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That looks like it could do some damage. Which can be used to cut off stuff, to put in indentions, slits. All kinds of cool things, I guess. These are the sandpaper tips. They look a little rough, like they were ripped out instead of cut out. If you look at the edges there, they're all uneven and stuff. But yeah, okay, moving on. Now this is the heads grinding stone. It says, ooh, ooh, beautiful. Get this one right here, and they're pink. I think you guys can see that. But you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm sure there's a reason for all the different shapes and sizes. And we will figure that out as we go. But there you go. These are the tips you get. I'm really interested in seeing what these bad boys can do. Super excited. Okay, I'm not going to put those in there right now. We're going to just get on with the video. Now, these are drum sanders, and you get a wrench. Now, I'm sure the drum sanders go on this head. Let's see. Yep, fit pretty good. They do not slide at all. That's a plus, because I was expecting it to slide. Now, it does slide up and down, which is a little concerning, but sorry, pause for dramatic effect. I don't know. We'll see. These are the different sanding drums. It looks like they're all the same grit. Yeah, they're all the same grit. This bad boy is a dressing stone. Now, I am guessing that is... I have no idea. So if anybody knows what the dressing stone is for, please let me know. Inform me. These are the polishing wheels. Ooh, there's a big one. Now these are I'm excited about. These I know how to use. But the polishing wheels I will be using to buff off my earrings after sanding. And I say earrings because that's what I bought these little bibbidi bobs for, to make my polymer clay earrings. I can't wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But I bought these to buff them off after, or polishing, whatever, to get them all nice and shiny. These, shall I say, are my diamond tips. Now these I am really excited about, because I have some stones that I want to do some personal carving into, and I think that that's what these are for. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm open to whatever, or if I could use one of these, let me know. Okay, so there's our 2 diamond tips. Now, I have seen sets online where you can get, sorry, my camera keeps sliding, where you can get a whole, like, I think it's 30 to 40 piece set of diamond tips, and that might be a future investment. Now, this bad boy is a mandrel. Yeah, that's what it says. It says it's a mandrel. Don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Anybody knows what that is, you can tell me how to use a mandrel tip. This is a cobalt. I'm guessing this is to hold on to something. Not that. Alright. I don't know what that is either. But I cannot wait to find out. I really am excited. Maybe this. Yes, it is. It's to hold this drill bit. Okay, see, this is the, sorry. This is the bigger drill bit. Ooh, this one's slippery. And this is the tinier drill bit. I would be probably using this one more than the bigger one for my earrings, because I don't need that much of a hole in my earrings. But we'll see. Okay, So that's that. And I'm telling you one thing right now. I am super excited to see all that this thing has in store for me. And that is so nice. They have customer service phone numbers on the front. Pretty sure all I need is a YouTube channel to help me out on my ways. But yeah, that's what I got, guys. And I'm super excited to start learning how to use this thing. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you can answer some of my questions, like my questions, what is this? What does this do? And these mandrel parts. I said pits because I was going to say pieces and parts, and it became pits. Anyway, this looks like you drill a hole into something to make room for a drill or something. I don't know. The dressing stone and these two pieces, the mandrel that they were talking about. If you could let me know what those are for. And any information on the little tips that I have here and what they do and stuff. I'm guessing this is a baller one because it looks like a polymer clay baller tool. Anyway, well, thank you guys for coming and seeing my unboxing video. I cannot wait to use this. I'm so excited. But I wanted to show you what I got from Amazon, and hopefully this is enough information to get you excited about wanting to get one too, because I have been waiting a very long time to get this, and I finally got enough money to get it. And I am just super excited to see what this little tool can do for my polymer clay creations and my jewelry sets. So thank you again for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.